Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity meets exploration and every stroke tells a story. Join us today as we embark on a journey through majestic mountains and moonlit paths captured in the intricate details of Rosie's pencil drawing. Feel the crisp mountain air as we traverse rugged peaks and winding trails, each step a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of nature. Against the backdrop of the setting sun, Rosie's hand brings to life the towering mountains, their peaks reaching towards the heavens with a quiet determination. As night falls and the moon casts its gentle glow, a path emerges illuminated by a soft light of the night sky. Follow along as Rosie's pencil traces the winding trail, each curve a bend a promise of adventure. Through Rosie's artistry, we are transported to a world of wonder and possibility where every stroke of the pencil invites us to explore new horizons and embrace the beauty of the unknown. Join us on Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where imagination knows no bound and every drawing is a testament to the spirit of exploration. Subscribe now and embark on your own artistic journey through the wilderness. Prepare to be whisked away on a visual odyssey with Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where each stroke of the pencil unveils a new world of artistic wonder. Today, join us as we traverse the rugged terrain of majestic mountains and meander along a moonlit path in Rosie's stunning pencil drawing. Feel the thrill of adventure as we ascend towering peaks and navigate through rocky trails, with Rosie's keen eye capturing every nuance of the mountain landscape. As the sun sets behind the horizon, watch in awe as Rosie's pencil brings to life the grandeur of the mountains, their majestic silhouettes bathed in the golden hues of twilight. Under the gentle glow of the moon, a path materializes, winding its way through the wilderness with a mysterious allure. Follow Rosie's deft hand as it guides us along this nocturnal journey, each stroke infusing the scene with a sense of enchantment. Let your imagination soar to new heights with Rosie as your guide. Subscribe today and unlock the door to a world of artistic adventure. Thank you very much.